Hello. Editing Bethany realized that I did not capture an intro or an outro. I literally just like filmed the tour and then just stopped the recording. So I figured I would just quickly film an intro and outro and add it on to the video. I feel it's important to make an intro because I want to properly thank everyone for the love, the thoughts, and good vibes while we were just telling you to pray for us, and that was pretty much all you guys knew, and you just were so willing to anyway. And of course, the congratulations and good feels and everything like that after we announced that we got the home. Drew and I are blessed to have family and friends of family and family of friends who are just amazing and consistently make us feel loved and cared for, and we appreciate it and we wanted to say thank you. Drew's obviously not here because he's at work, but he feels the same way, and I hope that you guys know that. So thank you. And with that being said, I know that you guys are just here for the tour, so I won't talk too much. We will just call it at that, and if you want to see our new house, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the outside has this beautiful overhang. I don't know what it's called, but the front door immediately opens up into the living room. So obviously I love yellow, so I love this little accent wall here. But this is the living room, and then we'll go this way first. So over here, I'm not really sure how I feel about that. It lets light in, but we'll see. And then this is one of the first extra bedrooms here. So this one I am thinking is going to be our guest room. So we're gonna put a bed, put Drew's desk in here. So I don't know yet, but definitely a bed for when family visits, of course. This room is my filming room, which I'm so excited for. So there is a huge window here, and the back wall is completely blank. So one thing I've always struggled with is the window always faces where there's like a door or something in the background, and I've always struggled with it. So I'm so excited for this room's setup so that I can have a plain wall behind me. This is probably where my tapestry is gonna go to help muffle the noise bounce back a little bit. This will be my filming room, and then this is the bathroom. Pretty straightforward. And they left this for us. Sorry, I have a thing with toilets. Please don't leave the lid up. Yeah, I like that they left this little cabinet here. That's cute. They're interrupting my tour. So this is the kitchen. So I'm obsessed with the floor. Like, this is what I fell in love with. I love how it's two-toned and real wood. It is gorgeous. They left this island for us, and I'm obsessed with it. This is just a little like pantry type thing. Just the countertops. Big fan of the sink. It's really nice. Oh, they took the little table, damn it! Yeah. It was a little like piece of wood on the wall. I did not expect them to take that. There used to be like a adorable like little table here that was just like perfect, and I don't understand why they would have taken it, but Like, it doesn't make sense to me, but whatever. Interrupting! So, this is obviously a sliding door, and I love it. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep the word laundry or if I want to paint on this with chalkboard paint and make like a menu for like the week, because I think that would be really cute. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do. Let me know what you think I should do. But obviously this is the laundry room, so we have our shelving here, and then the laundry or appliances go here. They did not leave the washers and dryers. Drew's obviously trying to unpack right now. So we'll have to find those. So we picked out some lighting that the sellers took with them. So we're waiting on that to get here, but it'll be like a cute like mason jar lighting, and I'm obsessed with it. We're just waiting for them to mail it back to us, but that will be there. And then I'm gonna have Drew build me a little like breakfast nook right here, and then a table. And then, so we're back in the living room, and then on the right hand here is the master bedroom. So this wall is not staying this color in the slightest. I am painting it, and we actually already have the paint. So this is the color it's gonna be because hi, I'm Bethany. Gonna have to strategically place things on the wall to cover up the mounting of the TV holes that they left us, because we don't keep a TV in our bedroom. Yeah, this is a master bedroom. Here is the closet on this wall. It's a bigger closet than we have currently. And then we have a master bath. This is gonna be a work in progress for a while. There is no, like the light's not working for some reason. So bear with me. Not a fan of the vanity, but we'll probably have to hold on to it for a little bit longer. Again, with the color, absolutely not painting it that same yellow color. That is leaving, definitely. Got some shelving here. Nice big shower and tub. Big fan of the shower and the tub. But I love the flooring. I think it's really pretty. If I could have like proper lighting, that would be cool. I actually really like this half thing, so I'm excited to paint it yellow. I think it's gonna look super good with it being yellow. Just not a big fan of the color that it is now. Yeah, this is our room. Immediately gonna get started on painting. That is also leaving because no, absolutely not. This is the inside, home sweet home. It's got some work to do. Definitely have different tastes than the previous owners, but it's got potential for sure. I really like all of the molding that she has. Like, I really like this. I actually like those lights. Amazing, right? That's gonna leave. This is the back side of the island. Lots of storage. Big fan. Okay, sorry. So just have to point out how amazing our agent is. He gave us a housewarming gift, a lot of housewarming gifts. Nice bottle of Brut, card, some gardening gloves because of course we're gonna be gardening. Love this. This is gorgeous. And a little hummingbird feeder and some hummingbird food. Oh, thank you, Spencer, if you're watching this. I don't know if you will or not, but thank you. This pops open into like a breakfast nook. And they left the little stools, which I was not expecting. And that door obviously leads to the garage. Let's look at that first. Okay, so this is the garage. This is obviously Drew's area. I already showed my filming room. Whoa! So this door leads to the backyard. And there's already a little doggy door so we can get a dog. It's a fenced in backyard. We're kind of close to the neighbors, but it doesn't really bother me because it's a really quiet neighborhood so far. They left us this giant little planter, which is cute. We have 2 sheds, so we can store things. This one will probably hold wood. Why is there a random door? That's weird. And then this shed goes out front. I'm not gonna go in it. But this is the backyard. We've got quite a bit of grass, not too bad. I'm not sure what kind of plant that is, but okay. These cute little succulents inside these. I don't know if they'll live or not because I kill every succulent I touch, but very cute. I really like them. Then there's 2 little garden areas. So I guess pesticides have never been used in this garden, so we can not worry about that. But we're thinking of planting a bunch of vegetables. And then something over here. I don't know what's currently growing. I don't know, a little rock garden thing. Random fence for some reason. I'm not entirely sure what this is for. Then over here, I'm overly excited about this. There is a lilac bush on our property, and I am so excited. Lilac just reminds me of my childhood because there was a lilac bush right outside of our bedroom window growing up. So it just reminds me of summer and my childhood. The fence back to the front door. I'll show a little bit of the landscaping. So I really enjoy the landscaping that they have going on in the front yard. So again, another lilac bush. So beautiful. I'm so excited. But yeah, this is the landscaping. I'm obsessed. So cute. I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but they're adorable. Got little planters here. I believe these are rose bushes, or at least that one is, I think. Yep, definitely is. These look like some sort of lily, maybe? I don't know, I'm rambling now. I'm obsessed with it, guys. There are so many hooks to hang plants out here. Just all along the entire thing. And we're back indoors. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this tour. I know it was kind of a little all over the place. I was just looping around the house. If you follow my upload schedule and you're like, it's Tuesday, why are you posting? I wanted to get it up as early as physically possible because so many people have been requesting it. So I will not be posting tomorrow. I'm just posting this one video here on Tuesday, and of course I had that announcement video on Sunday. Kind of a weird upload schedule, I know. And one more thing, I do have one more video coming up after this that is filmed in this room as well. But then moving forward, all of my videos are going to be in my new room. I'm vlogging the process painting last night and things like that. Kind of filming a little bit of the process. It's just gonna be like a vlog all thrown together. Alright, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already so that you can keep up with our housing adventures and other Central Oregon adventures moving forward. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video, which should be next Wednesday. And in the meantime, be kind. Bye, guys.